Alright, I am declaring a staff meeting between you Thomases. So, all I want you to do is do your task. Alright, now I am going to the kitchen and play.
Hey, Tails, what are you doing?
You're not Mario!
I am Mario, see, look!
No, that's a fake Mom. I had to call the cops.
What?
I gotta see what's on TV. Here's your newsreader, Tom Brody.
Breaking news. There is a hurricane that's 900 billion tall that is about to strike you right now. So be safe.
Mario! Mario!
What the? Oh my god, what is it, you stupid...
Listen, you... I need you. There's a hurricane coming.
Oh my god, wait, how tall is it?
Watch the teaser with me.
It's 900 billion tall.
Oh my god. That's how big it is.
Oh shit.
Yeah, oh shit. Now remember, this is bad.
Yeah, this is very bad.
Exactly. So, we need to be careful, okay?
Do we really have to be careful or else we'll die?
Yep.
Okay, we need food, water, and drink, and everything on Earth. Okay, let's go.
I'll get Tails. Oh, I love our YouTube video. It's good. Well, Sonic had a different actor, alright. I can't wait to go and get to Lax in the ball pit. Oh, god dang it. What, did I fill in? Oh, man. Oh, man. What the? Why is there Thomases here? Stupid trains. My Thomases! Red, what were you doing? That's what you get. There's a hurricane coming. A hurricane? What's a hurricane?
What's a hurricane?
A hurricane is like a big thunderstorm that kill a lot of people. We interrupt this. We have come to a commercial break. Here's our first commercial break. Are you tired of this damn coronavirus spreading? If you do, you better wear a mask. If you don't wear a mask, you're gonna get the virus. Now, like Tails. Hey, Tails, come over here. Yeah? And get Mario. Mario! Mario!
Shut up! Shut up! I'm coming!
Tell him what to do a commercial break about the coronavirus. Are you tired of this damn coronavirus?
What is it?
Go to www.nonvirus.com. Do it all. Break your baby toys! And Santa ain't coming. Tails, shut up. Sonic, get your ass over here. What do you want? What do you want, Red? Look what Tails is doing. Tails, stop. What are you doing? I'm trying to kill myself. Why? Only joking. I'm just flopping like a fish. No, whatever. I know you're flopping like a fish. But seriously, you gotta get out of here. We gotta leave this area. A tornado's coming. A tornado? Yeah, Mario's packing all the stuff. Red, you're helping, right? Yep. Let's skadoodie. Now listen up, intruders. We have a hurricane coming. We're gonna stop the hurricane. Sonic, are you in?
Yeah.
Mario?
Yeah.
Tails? Yeah. Well, let's do it. On march. We're going that way. Oh, sorry. Ah! Here is the plan. We are going You sure this is gonna work? Yeah, just stick to the plan. Mario! Mario! We'll wait for the hurricane to come past. Now hurry up.
Okay, I'm already Sonic.
What?
On it.
Guys, why I was spinning? Guys, why I was spinning? Oh, maybe we can't spin like that. Why I was spinning? Oh! 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 Whoa, slow down! Wah! Ah! Oh, Jesus! Oh! Yeah! Mission accomplished, lads. We finally did it. The hurricane is gone. Congratulations, you guys, we're done. Red, I think we're done, are we? Yep. Mission complete. You god dang. Hey, Mario.
Hey.
Hey, where's Sonic? Ugh. That was the stupidest plan ever. Well, I called it Red's plan. Remember, kids, if you got a plan to get rid of the hurricane, use that. That is how you get rid of the hurricane. Well, guys, I think it's time for us to go to bed.